My day starts out, see what is issued for me for the day for inspections. It gives me the time that they request me. So I just kind of set my day up on that. As a building inspector, I have to make sure the electrical, mechanical, and everything is passed off prior to me passing some inspections off. And I can look that up right on the job site. Because I'll show up on a job and even the contractor might have a question about the status of where his project is at. When I pull his permit up, it shows me every inspection that's been approved or failed, as well as the other inspector's notes or comments.
The contractors that are coming in, and you know them on a personal basis, and to gain that relationship with them is really important, so that when they come in that they know that they're going to be taken care of, and that we have access to get into all of their information, from plans to affidavits. Everything is now done through the portal and online, so it just makes it so clean, so easy. We're going to do everything that we possibly can to make their building experience a good one.
From a cost standpoint, it was a functional software, and it was a platform software where we were able to integrate other things. There was also the integration of GIS with this, which is very important. You can map things, you can have heat maps, you can show all sorts of different data that can be helpful for not only our municipality, but also the end users of contractors, homeowners, and the like. We have the automated email capabilities. Public portal is a great feature that gives us that live interaction with the end users. We also like the e-plan review ability to review plans and have the plans on site, to where inspectors and those that are doing the work can all be on the same page with the most current version that has actually been reviewed and approved.
Rexburg has had a huge focus on GIS and improving our data in GIS as an Esri user. If someone comes in and asks us about a piece of property, we can use the map to search as opposed to a tabular type or field search, and find history to that parcel or property. Now it's a lot more conclusive, collaborative. Everybody can see everybody's comments in real time. And so the review process is much more streamlined.
The ability to take our jobs, put it into a system where it's organized, it's trackable, it's usable, and it's reportable back to the different entities that are actually working within it. Just having that whole picture of what's going on and in keeping you informed makes it so effective in what it does for us.